Howdy doody. Right, finished me day at work from home. Now, plans for this evening. Thermostat. Put that kind of bolt that back into place. It's only missing a nut. There's underneath there. Just puts that tight again. Put that hose on there. Put that hose on there. I think I could actually put the carbs back on in this area. I don't think there's anything else to do up here after these two pipes go on. Don't have much in the way of washers. I need to buy a bumper pack of washers. If you see one before I do, just pause the video and let me know. I cannot find any washers at all. But yeah, I'm gonna have to just go for ugly washer because I cannot find any for now. And my patience has run thin. I think that's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. So, believe it or not, I think in here I can drop on the old carbs. Oh, let's get you on as well. That's frustrating. Well, it's only frustrating because I'm not using the right equipment. That's the only reason it's frustrating. Let's have a look at the carbs. Let's have them coming out, blinking into the light after 10 months, maybe? 10 months in this bag, just going from place to place. Let's hope it's just not a rusty mess. Oh, looks pretty much how I left it. The foam's not coming off in my fingers, so that's good. I lashed up this kind of weird breather box assembly. Can't remember what that used to be, but anyway, that's how it came off the bike. Got to remember where this tube goes and this tube goes. I can't quite recall. Ah, T-piece. That's this one, because I think, although, yeah, T junction, I think that says. So this goes into that section. I think that's you sorted. You, fuel filter. Oh, that goes into the tank. That's coming from the tank. Fuel filter down there, fuel pump, blah, 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 blah. Lovely. Hello down there. You're about to get some carbs. But before I do, I need to fit the choke cables. Now there's some writing here. Right hand choke cable, left hand choke cable. God damn, how did I ever... How are you going to tighten that? That is awkward. Okay, now it's snug, but it's not tight, and these aren't going to get it tight. I think I need now conventional pliers, just a normal pair of pliers. Oh, that's nice. That's more like it. There we go. We're started. Lovely. Hardest bit now. It's actually getting both the inlets lined up with the top of the engine. Absolute well-known pain in the backside. Many people go insane attempting this. I think I have to take off the air filters. It's on both sides. Are we sure? I think we are sure. Woo! Awesome sauce. That's that. You're down. I loves it. We have positive and negative. We're on. Will the bike respond? Will it just go pop? Will it smoke? Let's turn off the lights. Kill off. Way! Woohoo! We have oil and neutral. Do we have lights? Yep. My pretty manky LED parking light is on. Do we have mains? Rear light? Yeah, looks maybe a bit dim. Do we have indicators? Ah, bulb's gone. Or I've actually damaged the cable. I've wrecked the cable. Other one. Yay! Does the starter motor work? Would it do it on off? Yes. Starter motor works as well. That's fantastic. Let's turn it off before I try anything else and ruin something. Next, clutch cable. Come on, get in there. How was this connected? It must have gone downward like that. Yeah, there you go. So yes, I'm going to get some diesel in here. I think I'll do as a suitable chain cleaner. So yeah, we're all right, aren't we? We've got electrics work. Can't believe it. Clutch is in. Yeah, not too convinced about that cable. Chain cleaned. Still needs to be oiled. I'll do that tonight once it's kind of dripped a little bit. So yeah, I'll do. Tea time. See you shortly. Bye. Yes, 8090W, 80W90, whatever. Manual gear oil, which is good stuff for chains. It's way too watery just to be poured on. And I haven't got a funnel. How am I going to pour that onto the chain without losing loads of oil? If I pour a bit of oil in one of the fingers. So I could pour a bit of oil in there. That was rubbish. This ain't gonna work, but I'm willing to try. It's not gonna work. It's so not gonna work. That's actually kind of, whoa, go, 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 go. It's kind of working. You can't. Oh, I'm gonna have to get my fingers dirty so I can show you. Look at that. Oh, that's funny. Excellent. So easy. Look at that. Very pleased to report that I've got some new sleeves, nylon sleeves for the old hoses. How am I gonna cut this stuff? Not really. It's just it's just crap. Pen knife is craft knife is no good. Not really. No. Google. How do clever people cut nylon sleeving?
And finish end on most types of braided expandable sleeving.
Thank you. What?
A hot knife not only cuts the sleeving quickly and cleanly, but it also fuses the ends of the filaments together.
I haven't got a hot knife. I've got absolutely nothing decent to cut this stuff with. I was just thinking, well, I could heat up with a blowtorch a pair of scissors, but then how can you hold it without burning yourself? And I haven't got any decent gloves for that, so that ain't gonna work unless I create my own hot knife by putting a blade here, like this horrible one, and then pull the sleeving up. Right, homemade hot knife coming up. but I think by the time I get around to it, well, it worked. Probably won't work a second time, I'm sure. Nope, you need to strike while the iron's hot. Get it nice and red. Get out of the way. Let me come. No, I'm done. Look at that. Woohoo! Where are you? There you are. Careful. Woo! Bloody love it. Look at that. I like it. Go, 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 go. Oh, check it out. Whoa. Woo. Bit messy, that one. It's quite thick and I haven't got actually that much blade showing. So I just managed it, I think. Careful, don't touch it too soon. Molten plastic, not the best. Again, I've got to try and create a bit of a bubble at the top so I can bring it back the other way, which is not, it's not very happy to do. Oh, that's it, that's done it. That's pretty much it. Now I better get that blade off before I forget it's there and lose a finger or something. Oh, the vice hardly lost any paint. Well done. Well done me. Woo! Well done. Yeah, Ricky Tang, Motorcycle Engineering, very limited, at your service. I will have a little brew now and I'll see you shortly. It's job done. Now, unfortunately, I forgot both Jubilee clips, so I'll just have to do a bit of stretching and fitting. Note to self, do not undo Jubilee clips. Well, no, I think this Jubilee clip's knackered, or the screw's knackered. It's just not tightening. So yeah, there will be no finishing of this job tonight. I need to buy more Jubilee clips, lots of them. Next going, got nowhere to put this. Can you go there? Oh, nice. Love this torch. Right, one pipe, woohoo! I will accept any criticism that you level at me for using these Jubilee clips. Howdy! Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me or not. I do have a front screen on the GoPro 9. It's a bit small. You see my ow! You can see my eyes now. Hello. You'll be pleased to know that I have now. Will I use this camera? Replaced the disgusting Jubilee clips I tried using yesterday. You can see two of them there. So I got them on the other hoses. You can stop calling me names now. So what now? Well, the hoses are on. So basically the bike is now waiting for coolant and it's waiting for oil. That's pretty much it. As I've said maybe before on video, I'm not sure. The gaskets, engine case gaskets, it wouldn't surprise me if they leak. I probably didn't do a stellar job of cleaning the gasket faces, getting the gasket in a perfect position. It's been a long time since I've done it. So we'll wait and see. The fuel tank, it's on the bike. Almost, not quite there. I know this is happening in the dark, sorry about that, but it's just putting on the fuel pipes. It's not brain surgery. Well. Let's bring you up so I can talk to you. Yellow. Well. Oil's in. Let's get some fuel in, shall we? It's exciting times. Get up there. Oh, yeah. One thing I've got to put on, the exhaust pipe. It'd be a bit louder otherwise, and I've not even tightened up the down tube, so there's a bit more work to do there. Actually, there's gaskets in there. Okay, by rights, I should replace them, but I'll just put a smear of gasket on the edge there, gasket sealant, and bang it back on, hopefully. This will have to come off again for the back wheel to go in, by the way. So basically, I should not be even attempting to start the bike at this point. What is the point if the exhaust has to come back off for the rear wheel to go in? Well, I'll tell you what the point is. I'm excited. I'm excited to see it start. That's the point. Right. Wow. Guess what? This is the moment I've been waiting for, and maybe some of you have been waiting for. Time to try and start the bike. And I need to hurry up because the power bank that's running you has actually just run out. So I might have half an hour of battery left on that before it goes. This one I think is okay, providing it's actually recording. So let's try and start the bike. I don't expect it to start straight away. Carbs are dry, everything's dry. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Give it a sec. Let the starter kind of get over the shock. Might end up draining the battery doing this, since it's got to get fuel through the system. This camera just stopped. This camera just stopped then. Why? Why? I think that's enough running for now. Might keep an eye on this bike for a few more minutes to see if this smoke stops rising from the engine area. But it runs. I've had the engine out. I've had it in bits, kind of. I had the cases off, valves checked, put it back together, put the frame over the engine. That took some effort, and it runs. That's a good day. Fuel pump must work in its new position, which is good. It's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna have some tea. So let's find out what the hell's going on with that camera. Let's hope you recorded the whole event, and I'll see you soon.